Hey everybody, so we are doing burritos in a jar. This is a Rebel canning recipe, so if you're a Blue Book follower, click off now because I don't want to make you crazy. So this is exactly what it sounds like. You're going to make a filling to go in a burrito that you just heat and eat. You heat it up, wrap it in a tortilla, and you have your burrito. So we are going to start out with 1/2 cup of pinto beans, and you want to wash those really well. And you put these in exactly the order that we are doing. So 1/2 cup in each jar. I already have 4 jars in the canner. Okay, we are going to put, and this is where the Rebel part comes in. Then we're going to put in some rice, and I also washed it. So 2 tablespoons of rice. Um, 1/2 cup of chopped onion in each jar. So 1/2 cup chopped onion. Let's see. Make sure you can see. Don't know which way to go. So 1/2 cup of onion, 1/3 of a cup of bell pepper, I'm just putting in the rest of the bell pepper onion that I have. One cup of meat. You can use, and you want it cooked and drained, you can use hamburger, ground turkey, ground chicken, and I would imagine you could use ground pork. At the bottom of all my ingredients here. Okay, so 1 cup of ground beef. Now you could omit the rice and add an extra tablespoon of beans or another 1/2 cup of ground beef. We are going to put in 3 tablespoons of rotel or any diced tomato with green chilies, or just plain diced tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 tablespoon of diced green chilies. You can add extra tomato if you don't want the green chilies. So you could add 4 tablespoons of the tomatoes, diced tomatoes. You can use plain diced tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. And if you wanted to make this vegan, you could leave out the meat, use 3/4 cups of beans, and use vegetable broth instead of, you can use beef or chicken broth in this. So, now we are going to add broth to 1 inch of headspace. You're not going to stir this up. I'm just going to poke it a couple of times because it's going to be layered. Where'd I put my poker? I had it. Smidge of water. This is really yummy stuff if you've never had it. And we are going to wipe our rims with vinegar. Your lids. Put them in the canner. Let me get my dishes out the way. I didn't want to get my green mat dirty, so I used a, what do you call these things, a placemat. Move my canning mat. Refrigerator's making an odd noise. So there are our jars. You're going to match up your V on your lid to the V on your handle. New seal, it's tight. Turn on your canner. This will pop up. Water all over the lid. This will pop up. This will vent steam for 10 minutes. You'll put your weight on. When it starts to rock, you will set your time for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, you will turn off the heat, let it come down from pressure on its own, and we will come back and see what our burrito in a jar looks like. Now, the amount of liquid you have will depend on your beans. All beans are kind of different, but they usually absorb the rest of the liquid when they're cooling down and stuff. So don't freak out if you have liquid in there. It's no big deal. So we're gonna get this going, and I will see you in 90 minutes. Okay, everybody, it's ready. Oh, it's hard to get them out. Here are the trash trucks. I have sausages in there. So there's our burrito in a jar. If you have any questions, post them down below. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. And we, excuse me, are going to get my husband to the doctor. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.